Bat City Scraregrounds. Hey, Buddha, Texas. Woohoo! Today, hot facade action, if the rain allows. Hey people, Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. I'm hiding in the car for a few minutes just to enjoy the AC before we step out into the nuclear wasteland that is Buddha, Texas. But thankfully it is 75, cloudy, not supposed to get rain for a while. Gives me plenty of opportunity to sit there and put the paint on. So yesterday we worked on mass, so we didn't know if we would get showered out, but today, no sun, deep clouds, perfect for painting, but could get doused at any time. So we have our domicile here on the plantation to run for our little Noah's Ark in case something goes wrong. So thanks for coming on board. Like, subscribe. We're going to be here for about another week. We got some selfie stations to do. We got more facades. And, hey, a little UV work. So thanks for coming on board. Thanks for liking, subscribing. And we'll see you in the next video. You all take care. Well, people, the day was mostly uneventful until this happened. Oh yeah, joy. Glad I got the paint on and got it dry before this hit. So, the joys of working outside. Oh yeah. Hopefully, I have more time tomorrow.